Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to film a what's in my bag video on one of my newest handbags that has made its way into my collection, and is actually one of my holy grail bags that I have always wanted. So let's go ahead and get into this what's in my bag video. Alright guys, I'm just going to give you a few details on the bag really quickly because this is not a bag review, it's just a what's in my bag video. But this is the Loewe small puzzle bag, and for a small bag it's actually pretty big, which I love. It fits a lot of stuff. It's really functional. But this is the small puzzle bag. It's a soft grained calfskin leather. Loewe is a Spanish brand, which I think is pretty unique because most brands for your luxury handbags are going to be French or Italian, but Loewe is actually Spanish, which is really great. They have a really long history, really great bags, and the puzzle bag is one of their iconic sort of silhouettes. So as far as the bag goes, it is going to be this sort of almost cube trapezoid type shape. When you first get it, it's more kind of in this sort of shape, if you can see that. I've kind of formed it to have this little bit of a sort of slouch in the front, which I really like that look. It's really full right now, but the less product the less items you have in your bag, the more slouchy it will be and the less structured it'll be. But it's a pretty soft, smushy bag, which I really like. Some of the leathers make the bag more structured on the other ones. This one is in the dark blush color, which is a beautiful like mauve-y brown tone, which is still neutral and still in my comfort zone, but still different from, you know, a black or just a tan bag. So I really like that about it. You get a top handle, so you can just carry it like that. You can put it on the crook of your arm. Then you also get a removable shoulder strap here, and I love that is adjustable because I'm really petite. So this is adjustable so that I can get it to a really nice like drop when I wear it crossbody. So I really love that. The hardware on this particular bag is gold, and then on all of the Loewe bags there is going to be either like an embossed sort of their logo. Their anagram is embossed, so you kind of barely see the logo. I love the Loewe bags just in general because unless you really know the brand, you don't know what the bag is. It doesn't scream, you know, luxury or designer, which I love, but the quality is amazing. So I think this is more of like what you would call like quiet luxury, which I really have been into. It's very classic. It's definitely not as popular as it was when it first came out, but it's still a classic bag, and I see so many people rocking their puzzle bags, and I finally got my hands on one. The bag has a little zipper pocket there. The bag has a zipper closure, so the flap will open and there's a big zipper, and you have all your, you know, space inside. The lining is a cotton canvas, and then there's one slip pocket. So basically it's just you dump all your products in there. I really love this bag a lot. And then the dimensions for the bag, I'll tell you really quickly. So it is going to be 6.5 inches in height. It's going to be 9.4 inches in width, and then you're going to have 4.1 inches in depth, so you can fit a lot in this bag. It is considered a small bag, but again, to me it's more like a medium-sized bag. They do have a size smaller than this, which is like considered the mini, and my coworker has a mini, and I'm like, it looks so cute. I've tried it on and everything, and I'm like, this is so cute, but I need to cool it with adding bags to my collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into what is actually in this bag now. So I have this bag stuffed because I was using it for work. I normally don't have it so stuffed, but the first thing I have is my cell phone in there. Just have a little plain silicone case that I get from Amazon, and yeah, the first thing I have is my phone. I love this bag because my cell phone can actually fit in this bag, so I think it's really perfect for like a weekender bag when you're just like running errands and stuff, because you can just throw everything in there and not have to worry about carrying your phone in your hand. This bag is like almost replacing my Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse in terms of my favorite functional bag, because I used this when I was watching my nephews recently for the weekend, and it's a 5 and a 2-year-old, so I was running around with them, and this was the perfect sort of mommy bag because I threw all my stuff in here, my cell phone, and kept track of all my things. And then I had a baby bag obviously for all their things, but this is like the perfect sort of mommy bag when they're a little bit older and you just need like a small bag for their stuff, and then you can just carry your own bag. I think this is a really, really good bag. So this is something I will get a lot of use out of in the future when I eventually have my own children. So love, love, love. And then, okay, let's go ahead and just get into everything that's on the inside. Start pulling everything out. So the first thing is just some face masks, because you know we're still in the situation that we're in, and although the mask mandate is lifted and everything, sometimes on public transportation, or if you take Uber or something like that, you need to put on your mask, or just if you want to wear your mask. I like to carry a couple of those just in case I need it or my husband needs it. I told you this bag fits a lot. It's like a Mary Poppins bag, honestly, because I have my shades in there. This is not the case for these shades, but the case that actually are for these shades is more of a boxy case, so it wouldn't really fit. This is the case for my Saint Laurent shades, and it's just a little bit smaller, so I like to use that. But these are just the shades that I am carrying. They are super dirty. These are just some Fendi aviators that I really, really love because they're a little bit more casual. So I have that in there because it is hot and sunny in New York still. The next thing I have in here is going to be my Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Touch hand sanitizer spray. I got this in a set during the holidays. It came with this and the hand cream, and this is pretty big for a hand sanitizer, but it fits in here perfectly. I love the way that this smells. I was worried that this would be sticky for some reason, but it's not sticky at all, and it really smells like the Bum Bum cream, so I really like this. See what's next. I have my La Mer lip volumizer. This is just a lip plumping gloss treatment sort of situation. It's really good. It's not sticky. I really like it, and yeah, that's in there just in case if I want a little bit of hydration. It's not too shiny, but it's pretty and it's shiny. I have my Micron pen in here. This is the 05 point. This is almost like a felt tip marker. I love how these Micron pens write. If you guys are into pens, you probably know about Micron pens. Next I have some Mentos gum because I like to chew gum after I eat my lunch at work. The next thing I have is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I like to use this especially now in the summer because it's so hot and humid, just to touch up and mattify my face maybe halfway through the day. I'll use this. I really like this powder a lot because it just mattes down your face, but it doesn't look cakey or dry or anything like that. It doesn't add texture to your skin. It just really kind of blurs everything out. And then what's nice is that it comes with a little sponge underneath the powder, so it's just all you need to really carry is that. You don't need to carry a brush. The next thing I have in here, you've probably seen this in most of my what's in my purse videos, which is my Louis Vuitton round coin purse, which I have heard from some of you that is discontinued, but you guys know I don't use this for change. I use this to store my Apple earbuds. I love these things. I've taken my AirPods out of my bag because I don't even use them. I prefer to use these because the sound quality is just really good. They're really reliable, so I just keep that in there. The next thing I have is going to be my pepper spray, my little safety tool here because I live in New York City, and it doesn't matter where you live, ladies, just be safe. So I've been carrying, I make sure to put these in all of my purses no matter how small they are, just to be safe and sound. Next thing I have in here is going to be my work badge. Need that to get into work. I also have my Gucci Marmont card case, which I don't normally always carry this. This just houses my extra cards that I really don't need, that I don't really use. So like Nordstrom, Macy's, I have a card for my husband's fire department, different stuff like that. I keep in here, but if I have a really small bag, I won't carry this with me. But if I have a large enough bag, I'll just chuck it in just to have it, just in case. I have my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, which I think is a staple for anyone starting on their little luxury journey. This is definitely a SLG that you should, I think, invest in. This one is a 6-ring key holder, and in the back I keep my Metro card for work, because I do commute, and my car key came off. It's probably in my bag, but I usually have my car key hanging out, which I need to attach it again on here. But I love this thing. I've had it for so long, and it's like one of the best things that I own. The next thing I have here is my inhaler. You guys know I am, or if you don't know, I am asthmatic, chronically asthmatic, so I always carry my inhaler just in case, because you never want to be caught out there without it. So yeah, definitely need that. Here is my car key fob that I need to put onto my 6-ring key holder. I have my Laura Mercier Ombre Vanilla Body Butter. Always carry a hand cream on me, because with all the hand washing, sanitizing, just gotta keep the hands moisturized. Alright, I have a little decant of the Byredo Mojave Ghost. This is a fragrance that I am currently using and trying out, and I definitely will be getting the full size. It smells amazing. It's fresh but has a little bit of sweetness at the end. Hey guys, so the next thing I have in here is my Hepburn Honey lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. I recently haven't been using lipstick really, but I found this lipstick in my makeup drawer, and I was like, you know what, let me try it out. I remember I really liked it, and it's a really pretty nude lipstick, so I threw that in my purse to remember to use it, because I will throw on a lip liner and some lip balm and call it a day. Speaking of lip balm, I have my favorite lip balm, which is the K-Skin Sun Care Lip Balm in SPF 30. I love this stuff. I need to go get a new one. It is super shiny. It has SPF 30 in it. It has a nice, kind of smell does it have? It almost smells like vanilla sort of smell. It's really nice. Highly recommend it. Love the packaging, and yeah, I've been using the heck out of that. I have a pen from, Ocean Drive Hotel that we stayed in Barcelona. Just love this pen. It's really sleek, easy, and it writes pretty well. So I took that from the hotel, threw it in my purse, and it's good to have a pen on you. You never know when you need one. I have a little business card from one of my clients. Alright, I have my main card case here. This is one of my most recent purchases. This is from Balenciaga. It is this beautiful lime green neon sort of color. So I keep my driver's license, debit card, my main credit card, and then some cash just stuffed into the top, but I love that color. I love getting accessories in fun colors, because I am such a boring neutral person, but I like to experiment with color when it comes to like little accessories that I can kind of throw in my purse. I think that's really fun without me having to commit to a bag in this color, or maybe like something like clothing in this color that I wouldn't really wear, but I love to have fun colors in my accessories, if that makes sense. I have a sample of the Loewe Under the 13. This is another fragrance that I have been recently trying out and I love, and definitely will be purchasing in the near future. I have another little business card from Billy Brunch, which is a cute little breakfast brunch place in Barcelona. That's just still left over in my bag from when we went there. We were in Spain. Then I have my Foxy Brown lip liner. You guys know this is like the only lip liner that I use from Charlotte Tilbury. It is so beautiful. It's just a nice neutral cool tone brown. and I just love her lip liners because they are waterproof and they really stay on. I have one random dime in the bottom of the bag. And then in the slip pocket, I just have a ton of change because I don't use my change purse for change. And so that is empty, and I want to show you what typically the bag will look like if you don't have it totally full. It gets this really nice sort of slouchy shape that I really like. In the back there is a little zip pocket. It's not huge, but it fits things. There's nothing in it right now. I normally have a ton of receipts in here, but I took out my receipts the day before yesterday. I had a ton of receipts, so I just took them all out. But yeah, that's the bag. Really love this, and I'm happy that I have it in this color because although it is a little bit of a different color, it's still neutral. And everyone that owns a Loewe puzzle bag that I know loves their bag. So if you're looking for a bag that doesn't scream designer luxury sort of bag, go ahead and pop into a Loewe store and check out their bags. They're really nice. They have really become popular recently as well for clothing, apparel, stuff like that, but their bags are amazing. And in the future, not right now, but definitely in the future, I will probably be adding another bag to my collection from this house. So I hope you guys enjoyed my what's in my bag video. Let me know what you guys are carrying around in your bag. I would love to know. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.